So now we are going to our decimal numbers. So finding a square root of a decimal number. If we have a number 650.25, this is a square root sign. To 650.25 square root, need to find out a square root of 650.25. Now we need to write exactly the same. 650.25. If we selecting 6, the one digit. So as you know that I think I should write down it again. So write down 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square is 25. Just like this. So now we need to, if we are selecting 6, we need to check which number. 2 number square is 4. So this is reasonable. 3 square is 9, which is more than 6. So we need to select 2. If we are selecting 2, same as it is, write down in here 2 and then 2 also. That's 2 come here for the square root. So 2 times 2 becomes 4. And then subtract values becoming 2. 6 take away 4 is 2. We need to scroll these one downs. 5 and 0 also. So 2 add 2, we are adding 2 add 2, which is 4. Right? Why I write it on both digits? Because this is 40. If I write any number, if I write a 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 with that, so this is more than 25. So that's why I write down the second number as well. So now we need to select which number we multiply to get 0 or less than that values. So now in here we are selecting from there. If we select, we select a value, if we select 2, for example, if we select 2 here, then that become 42. If you multiply this, it become 4 and it become 8, which is very, very low. We cannot select that one. So we ignore. So if we select 3, 3 times 2 is 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 4 is 12, which is 129, which is also very, very low. If we select 4 times 4 is 16, 4 times 4 is 16, and which is also very, very low. If we select 5, if we select 5, 4, 5 and 5, 5 times 5 is 25, 2 carries, 5 times 4 is 20, add 2, which is 22, which is nearer, less than, but closest. So we have to select that value. So we are write down 5 and then 5. So we need to write down in here 5 also. So this becomes 225. So that becomes 250, take away 25, we will get only 25. So need to add these values, 45, add 5. That becomes 50. Right? So we need to write down 5, 0. And then this is a decimal point. Decimal point. And then we have to write down decimal point in here and decimal point in here also. So need to scroll these two numbers down, 25 and 25. So which number we select to get 25? Here you go. 5 square is 25. So we need to select 5 here. Yeah. 5 here. If we are selecting 5 here, then we need to write down in 5 here also. So 5 times 5 is 25. 2 carries. 5 times 0 is 0. Add 2 comes 2. 5 times 5 is 25. And then you can subtract values. Remainder is 0. When you add these numbers, just like this, you need to write down point design as well. 0.5 and 0.5. You are adding. 5 add 10, 1 carry. 1 add 0 is 1. This is decimal point. And 5 as it is. This becomes 51. 51.0. And you already write down 5 here. So the square root of 650.25 is if you double that number, they must equal to 51. Let's check. To 5.5 to 5.5. You are adding 0. 0.55, 10, 1, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 51. There you go. If you need any more question, please write down in comments, and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.